cable. And the second one is higher definitions multimedia interface HDMI. And the last one is video graphic array VGA from the computer to the projector. Second step is turn on our PC. Then turn on our projector. So next is basic learning. In this Smartboard have 3 pen, 1 eraser and 1 touch pen, and also have 15 features. Step 4, they have advantage function that can control the thickness of the pen. For example, the thin thickness and also the biggest. Next is step 5. That is applying variety of color of text pen. First is blue, black, also red. But we cannot use different color at the same time. Step 6 is using the eraser. First, we can use this smaller one eraser and this board. For example, using eraser and using eraser board. Step 7 is about how to use this touch pen as the mouse. Next step, how to use keyboard. Last but not least, we learn about how to apply Smart Note. First, we want to try to put picture. Last step is using the other function in the Smartboard. First, undo. Second, save the note.
Okay, that's all from us.